Do you know why your favorite snacks are so addictive? Here's the secret they don't want you to know. It's not just about taste. Your favorite chips, cookies, or chocolates are engineered to keep you coming back for more. Food scientists use something called the bliss point, a perfect combination of sugar, salt, and fat. It tricks your brain into craving more with every bite. It's why you can't stop at one chip or one cookie. And here's the crazy part. Even the sound of crunching is designed to make food more satisfying. So, next time you can't put down that snack, remember, you've been outsmarted by science. Mind-blowing, right? For more secrets about the things you love, hit subscribe and stick around for the next fun fact.